What if the most powerful writer in the world isn't even human, but an algorithm trained to mimic your voice, your thoughts, your imagination? You've heard it before. AI will take our jobs. But let's be honest. It's not coming. It's already here. And writing is one of its first targets. Language models like ChatGPT, Bard, and Claude are now doing things that would have sounded impossible a few years ago. They can write essays, craft marketing copy, whip up poetry, generate movie scripts, summarize complex reports, and even respond with something that feels a lot like emotion. No breaks, no burnout, no writer's block. So here's the big question. Will AI replace writers? The answer? In many ways, it already has. Companies are automating content creation to save time and money. News articles, product descriptions, blog posts, AI handles it. No drama, no deadlines missed, just efficient, endless output. But here's where it gets uncomfortable. If AI can write like a man, do we still need people? That's where it gets tricky. Because writing isn't just about putting words together. It's about experience, perspective, pain, humor, sarcasm, risk, culture, things you can't code into a machine. Not really. AI can mimic, but it can't feel, can generate, but it can't live. So no, AI can't replace human creativity, but it will force people to evolve. The writers who thrive in this new era won't be the ones fighting against AI. They'll be the ones mastering it. If you're a writer right now, your competition isn't just other writers anymore. It's algorithms that never sleep, never stop learning, and never run out of ideas. But here's the twist: AI can't do it all. It needs direction. It needs prompts. It needs a soul. That's your edge. Creativity in the AI age isn't about doing everything yourself. It's about knowing what only you can do and letting AI amplify the rest. Will AI replace writers? It already is, but it won't replace storytellers. And that's where you come in. The revolution isn't about being perfect. It's about being real, being human, being bold enough to use the machine without becoming one. Subscribe for more content like this, because the future of writing isn't written yet, and you'll want a front row seat.